I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Power the device off and place it on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches. Once done, apply low heat to the protector's edges for 30 to 45 seconds. This softens the UV adhesive and prevents sudden cracks. Next, create a tiny lift with your fingernail or a thin pick at one corner. Attach an adhesive removal tab or tape to that lifted corner so you can pull consistently. Make sure the tab grips before pulling. You now peel using controlled motion. Hold the tab and pull at a low 10 to 20 degree angle, steady and even, to separate glass from adhesive without shattering. If you hit resistance, stop and reapply heat for 15 to 20 seconds to soften the glue, then continue. For localized strong bonds, slide dental floss or thin wire under the lift and saw gently while pulling the tab. This reduces stress on the glass. This method minimizes scratches, and you finish by removing leftover adhesive. Apply 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and wipe in slow, overlapping strokes until the surface is clean. Once done, inspect the bezel and screen for any tiny glass shards and lift them with tape or blow them out with canned air. Make sure no debris remains before applying a new protector. If the tempered glass shattered or adhesive won't budge, stop and consider a professional repair to avoid further damage. That's the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.